Hey all! Raise your hand if you've ever skipped doing your hair because you just didn't have time. You're not alone. But what if I told you that in less than 5 minutes, you could have a hairstyle that makes you look like you've got your life together, even if you don't? Today we're breaking down 5 stupidly easy hairstyles that'll make you look and feel like a total mom boss. No salon trip required. Let's be real. When you're juggling work, kids, and a million other things, me time is basically a myth. But your hair doesn't have to suffer. These styles are fast, fuss-free, and actually stay put, whether you're on back-to-back Zoom calls or chasing toddlers. And the best part? You probably already own everything you need to pull them off. Between packing lunches and hitting deadlines, most moms have about 0 minutes to spend on hair. And let's face it, messy buns are great, but some days you want to feel like you, not just mom. The struggle? Finding styles that are quick but still make you feel put together. That's where these 5 game changers come in. Hairstyle number 1, the 2-minute sleek ponytail. First up, the sleek ponytail. This isn't your gym class ponytail, it's the I woke up like this power move. Start by brushing your hair back, but leave a tiny section loose near your forehead. Tie the rest high and tight, then take that loose piece, wrap it around the base to hide the elastic, and pin it underneath. Boom! Instant CEO vibes. Pro tip: a dab of edge control or clear mascara tames baby hairs in seconds. Hairstyle number 2, the messy but intentional half-up bun. Need to look polished but actually only have 90 seconds? Meet the half-up bun. Grab just the top section of your hair, twist it into a loose bun, and secure it with a claw clip. Let the rest flow naturally. The messier, the better. This style says, I'm busy running things, but I also know what dry shampoo is. Perfect for school drop-off or last-minute meetings. Number 3, the no-heat curly pony. Here's a secret: overnight curls. Before bed, split damp hair into 2 braids. Wake up, undo them, shake out the waves, and pull into a low ponytail. No heat, no effort, just soft, textured hair that looks like you tried. Pair it with hoop earrings, and suddenly, you're the mom who has it all together, even if your laundry pile says otherwise. Hairstyle number 4, the mom-approved top knot. The top knot is a classic for a reason, but we're upgrading it. Skip the tight pull, instead gather your hair loosely at the crown, twist into a bun, and use a scrunchie, yes, really, to hold it. Leave a few face-framing pieces loose to soften the look. It's daycare chic meets I could be on a podcast. Hairstyle number 5, the headband trick. Last one, the headband hack. Grab a wide headband, the stretchy kind, pop it on, and tuck your hair behind your ears. Instantly, your second-day hair looks intentional. For extra oomph, tease the crown slightly before putting it on. This is the ultimate I didn't try but I still win move. Why these work? These styles aren't just fast, they're confidence boosters. When you look in the mirror and don't see exhausted mom, but woman who's got this, it changes your whole day. And the best part? They're for you, not just to impress others. Pick your favorite and try it tomorrow. Then hit the comments and tell me which one saved your morning. And if you're craving more quick wins, check out NutrislAb.com for hair and life hacks that actually work. See you next time.